Well, that's the windshield installed. I think it looks pretty good. We'll take a look at a couple of things. The first thing is there is a bit of a gap here at the seal. You can see a little light coming through, but it sure isn't much. And I think with a little bit of summertime sunshine and heat, that's gonna lay flat just fine. Maybe even a little aerodynamics will push that down. It's about the same on the other side. I did have to trim quite a bit on these pre-cut slots here. I mostly had to trim forward and in closer to the mounting surface. One concern on this other side, which let me know in the comments below if you've seen this before. It looks as though this strut here, which is screwed on to the windshield, is tweaked a little bit, as in it's rotated this way, because I've got this misalignment here, which I don't think was there when we first assembled this windshield on the bench. So
flashback. End of flashback.
When I bolted the windshield in down here with the bolts that actually go in that way, I think it took this and tweaked it this way, rotated it a little bit. I'm worried it's putting a lot of stress on these screws. This whole piece here is brass, and I think it screws in to brass as well. So I am concerned about that a little bit, but the windshield is solid. And I do like the angle on it, I think is fine. Let me know if that's too much. I did measure here, and I think it's off. But then I read on the forums that this is adjustable to your taste, whatever angle you like. But next is the doors.